Hi, in this video we are going to see how to export the package in webMethods. So this is mainly required. For example, I have developed some coding and I wanted to take a backup, or I have a package exported as a zip file which I wanted to deploy it later in other environment manually. Then how do I do it? I need to export that package. So how we can do it? You just do a right click and there is something called export from server, and you can store it wherever you want. For example, I wanted to store this file as in a desktop, so I just saved it and I'll refresh it, and this is my package. So this will have the entire thing. For example, if you take this and you put it into your replicate inbound folder for any kind of deployment, you can use this. So this way you can export your package from the designer. So this will have the exact structure. If you extract all and if you see the structure, right, whatever folders are there in that particular package and whatever the subfolders are there, everything you'll have it. See here, everything is there, and your file, right, your actual code is getting stored in NS folder, and this is your main folder. These are your subfolder, and services, I have these services, and process employee data is my service, and all my content of that particular flow, it's stored in a flow.xml. So this I unzipped and showed it, but actually using for your deployment, you will be using the exact zip file in order to copy to the target environment if you want to do any deployment. So if you don't have any deployer and you wanted to deploy your packages, then you can export this one and you can import it by copying the files in the replicate inbound folder, and you can install it from the IS admin page. Thank you.